Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen, and this time we're making rib tips. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making rib tips. They had them on sale at the Walmart. I guess because they're sitting around too long. They look nice. Now I already oiled the pan up. Use some canola oil. And if you're wondering, these do have bones in them. Okay. If you weren't wondering, they do have bones in them. I'm trying to make sure they lay flat. Now, I'm going to be doing some with just a dry rub. Some with a dry rub and barbecue sauce. And some plain for Blue Dog. And if you wonder what's in the pot back there, that's rice. That's for another recipe. That's why another reason I want to have some plain. I have my oven preheated at 375. We're going to do them for an hour and a half. Check on them. See how they're coming along. Then after that, we might do them another hour. Okay. Now you can use whatever rub you want. I picked up some Weber dry rub. Brown sugar. I thought that would be a good blend with this. And I'm going to put dry rub on all of these, even though I'm going to be putting barbecue sauce on some of them later. And on top of that, I'm going to add some Dano's spicy yum yum sauce. Or Yum Yum Get You Some, since has a nice little heat to it. Flip them over. Now if you want, you can use regular salt and pepper too, to be honest. Now I'm going to add some beer to this. Not a lot. You can use apple juice, pineapple juice, plain water. But for me, I don't think water will give it much character. But they're your ribs. You do what you want. And we're going to cover it up. Now, if you leave them uncovered, it will take longer. Try to get it pretty tight around the edges. It'll help keep the ribs nice and moist for you. Okay, these here, I'm just going to do plain. I'm just going to put them in a pan, cover them up, stick them in the oven. I'm going to go ahead, stick them in an oven for an hour and a half. We'll come back, check on them. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. I just took them out of the oven. I just took the one small pan out. I figured if the small pan's done, chances are the big pan's done. They're looking good, but they're just not quite there yet, I don't think. But it does smell amazing in here, I'll tell you that much. So I'm going to go ahead, put them back in, and do them for another half hour. Okay, I just got everything out of the oven. Open up these first. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Yeah, they look good. They definitely look done. See that? Oh my. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take these out. Now, I know you're all wondering if Blue Dog's going to get some. Yes and no. I have plans to use these for another recipe. So he ain't going to get none of these right now because I'm making them something special. You'll get to see that because I'm going to do that video as soon as I'm done with this one. Yeah, look at that. It's falling right off the bone. Oh my God. Should use a little more canola oil spray, I think. Go ahead and get this out of the way. Blue's sitting here. Well, now he's underneath the can. He's underneath my tripod. Now he's right by my feet. He smells the good cooking. Oh yeah. See that? Oh my God. That is a beautiful sight right there. Look at that. What is this? Look at that. Oh. They turned out real good. What we're going to do next, just get this plate out of the way. Got me a little container here. you notice that, right? I'm gonna do, get these off here. You know what? I think I might keep the little ones just with the dry rub on there. I might take the bigger ones, put the barbecue sauce on them. Now I already changed my oven to broil. High, broil on high, I should say. Take some of these. All right. Now, I'm just going to use Open Pit barbecue sauce. Nothing fancy. If it actually comes out of the bottle. Don't worry, I have another bottle. One thing I don't like to run out of is barbecue sauce. There we go. I don't know if you can hear him making noise in the background or not, but he's definitely sticking close. Go ahead. Now we're going to go ahead and stick this back in the oven for about 3 minutes. Take a look at it. Okay, I just took these out of the oven after 2 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, it started getting smoky in here. Smoke tips started going off. I don't think broiling them and using them in the foil was my greatest idea ever. But it got done. There's some plain ones in here so you can compare them. There you go. Plain, just a dry rub with barbecue sauce. And don't worry, I made Blue Dog a little bowl. Let's go ahead and see what Blue Dog thinks of them. Then I'll go ahead and jump into the next recipe. I say he approves of the plain ones. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.